Hello viewers, welcome back. This time we return to free energy. On this occasion I will show you this magnet motor you can see on the picture on the right side, and this is something really interesting. I think this is the best concept or the simplest concept for everybody to understand how this could in theory work. In front of me now you can see how this really spins and how this should spin indefinitely. And I think there is a good chance for that. But let's go to the big screen and that I show you on the picture what I think. So what is here presented, it's basically very logical. So if this is a rotor and these are the magnets positioned in the spiral, so it's very logical that the closest magnets will give higher force, and as it goes nearly to the center of this rotor should be the lower force. But if now this, let's say, secondary magnet or the rotor or the stator magnet, however you want to call it in this concept, would spin around, and I will show this now on the opposite picture. When this secondary or stator magnet would turn around and pass this spike, which would, let's say, rotate it so that it can continue, now it had a free field. But it would be attracted by these rotor magnets more and more as they are closer to the edge, as you can see. So in the end position they will have the higher speed, so this magnet should be able to pass this spike, and then continue this indefinitely. And of course, on the opposite side of the stator magnet, let's call this stator magnet, would be a magnet which would hold this in horizontal way, so it can continue to spin until the next circle goes. Because if there is not this magnet here, then this would continue to spin as well, this so-called stator magnet, but it's also a rotor magnet in this concept. So basically the principle is the same. Now you will see it on animation. So now when you look at the rotor spinning, it becomes logical. So this makes a circle and this attracts more and more this magnet, and this stator side holds this horizontally. And this force, when this spins, should be enough to continue this and to break this force over here, because there are many magnets and force is created like in a momentum. So this should be enough to make this spin that this magnet does not hold it forever, and this doesn't go away. So the concept is very simple and logical, I think, for everybody to understand. And it's very similar to the V-gate magnet motor that I've shown before. So let's take a look at this animation once again. Now we get back to the V-gate magnet motor. And this is very simple. So basically this is a mechanical mechanism that would also, in this position, go up, and then magnets will continue to spin. But it's almost the same concept. But in the other version, in this magnet motor concept 2023, as I call it, it's even much simpler to understand and maybe even more logical to work. But I doubt it, because the force, the opposite force, would maybe still be stronger, and that would stop maybe immediately, but maybe not. Who knows? We should definitely try to investigate and see what this new concept will actually, will this new concept bring us results, or is just a waste of time as any other magnet motor. So viewers, with this I want to conclude my today's video, and I hope you will be eager to explore this a little bit more and maybe design even your own patent. But for this week, thank you all, thanks again for watching. Bye bye.